Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna and Mama today. Ma, say hello to everybody.
Ciao a tutti!
Hello, everybody.
So my mother Angela is very excited to be here as usual, and she's here to show us one of her famous easy recipes. My mother only knows easy recipes.
Super easy. Artichokes Gratinati. Only the name is complicated, but it's easy and fast.
So these are artichokes gratin, or gratinati in Italian means, you know, breadcrumbs, cheese. We got some mint, we got some garlic, a little olive oil, and boom, that's it. Pop them in the oven, and you got a beautiful side dish.
Yes.
Or an antipasto.
Oh, yes.
Or whatever you want. And Nonna's gonna taste test for us, right?
Oh, yeah.
Nonna,
yeah.
you don't gotta do nothing today.
No, just I gotta watch what you do.
You gotta grate the cheese though.
Oh, yes.
A little
Ma,
bit of cheese.
That's
You
your
gotta-
job.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't like doing that.
Nonna loves to grate cheese.
Yes.
So, Ma, what's the first thing we gotta do? over here?
Okay, just sprinkle some oil. Come in, have fun with it. Make designs, whatever you like.
Well, my mother's an artist. So,
Yeah,
you know,
of course, I make designs everywhere. Nice. Okay, great. Then, next step, take the artichokes and put them in the pan.
And what
Come on.
kind of artichokes are these? These are
Oh, yeah, these are good.
These are frozen artichokes. You don't need to use the fresh artichokes if you don't want to. Fresh is always best, you know.
Yes, I know, it's
I'm gonna
best,
fix
but
them.
yes. Okay.
And make sure these are thawed. These are frozen artichokes, but they're thawed.
Yeah,
And we're going to put them with like the heart facing up.
yes. Okay.
I'm a little more precise than my mother, can you tell?
Yeah. Thank God.
You want more
Baby.
cheese or no?
Oh, that's
No,
good.
no, that's
That's
plenty,
That's
Mom.
good,
That's
Nonna.
plenty.
Okay.
Okay, great.
Nonna's the queen of cheese over here.
Okay, now, next step, more oil. Okay?
Just to get them nice
Yeah.
and moisturized, right?
Yes. See? Okay, that's it. Now, nice and easy. You just take the breadcrumbs. See, my mother is so complicated. She makes it one by one. She dips them in oil and then with the breadcrumb. But why do it one by one? No, too time consuming.
This is 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, this is 1, 2,
And Nonna's
3.
going to cut us some garlic.
Yes.
You want to make the garlic small like you do?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes. You know, all the difficult things my mother does. You know. Okay, great.
Okay, so I'm going to get the cheese because the
Yeah.
cheese is next up. You can't do it without cheese. You
No,
know?
absolutely. No. That gives the flavor. And
Okay.
yes. Now the cheese.
Cheese. Look how good and fresh this cheese
Oh,
is.
yeah. Oh,
You could tell when it's nice and fresh, huh?
of course. That's why we have grandma that does it.
Why, you wouldn't spend time grating cheese, man?
You know, I'm a little lazy, you know. But I have my mama.
Who's going to
God bless
grate the
her.
cheese one day? Me?
I know I'm gonna have to do that, but you know, not yet.
Yeah. Not yet. Thank God. Thank God. Oh, boy, that looks good.
Yeah. Great. Okay, I think it's enough. Yeah, great. Okay.
We got Nonna working on the garlic. You want to do the mint with me?
Yes. Come on. Let's do the mint.
So the mint, you could use parsley or you could use basil if you want, but the mint is actually a very pugliese touch over here.
Oh yes.
We put mint on everything.
Oh yes. Very good for you.
Why we put mint on everything?
Because we have it. We have so much of it that we have to use it.
And even though
Yeah.
we're not in Puglia anymore, we're in Brooklyn. We got it in the yard.
Oh, you better believe it.
Did you grow the mint yourself, man?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Because
use it.
it's easy. You know, it grows so fast, and it's. Nonna does it too. Nonna.
Well,
You like to have a mint plant, right, Ma?
You grow the
yeah.
mint,
I
basilico.
have, basilico, parsley, I have everything.
No, but
Yeah.
you know some people, they go to the store, they buy it.
Ma, you know how much they spend for the mint
Yeah,
in the store?
I know.
Very expensive.
I buy parsley sometime. I spend $1 after they come bad. They throw in the garbage. Thank
it's
God
like
I have a plant, the basil,
yeah,
the pretzel,
pretzem, Ma, pretzem. It's
prezzemole.
no, Pretzem, it's in Italian, not even Italian, Mama.
Parsley.
Parsley, brava, Mamma.
I
brava.
know.
Yeah.
Sometimes I forgot.
But what do? You take one word in Italian and you make it in English?
Nonna-
Prezzemolo, prezzem. Nobody
No,
understands.
Ma,
it.
Nonna speaks a language called Paisanics.
Oh, yes. Yes, we cross the street.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't cross a stretta che passano I car fast. You gotta look a right a sinistra.
No. Mamma mia.
So we got our fresh
Yeah.
garlic.
La checca.
Cacca's a good one.
Yeah, la checca.
L'atac,
La rattac. Yeah.
la shoppa bagana.
La shopping bag. Yeah. tutto.
Nonna, what's a shoppa bagana?
Yeah, Schoppenbergen.
Yeah. Okay. Great.
Okay. So now that our
Abby.
language lesson
If I
is
make a
concluded.
mistake, everybody understands.
That's,
That's
right.
right.
That's the point.
That's right.
You
Nobody
deliver, Mama.
doesn't understand Nonna
Yeah.
Romana.
Yeah.
And let's put some
And,
salt.
Yeah, we could go easy on the salt because we have the cheese. You know, sometimes I don't even put it, but you know, it's up to you.
So for your info, we use pecorino cheese. I like pecorino cheese with vegetables, but you could use Parmigiano if you like that better.
Yeah.
Totally up to you. And a little bit more.
Okay, basta. Now I'm gonna put a little bit more oil.
Just to make sure it's got some nice color.
Yeah. Shiny. Yeah, let me tell you, it's cute. Pretty. Even the looks, you know. The food has to look good too, by the way.
Now, don't go crazy
Okay.
trying to get a good oil measurement for something like this. Wait, you missed a spot, Ma.
Oh, Mamma
You
mia.
missed one. One's gonna
Okay,
gonna be white.
Okay.
And don't go crazy with an oil measurement. Just drizzle. Just
Yeah.
drizzle. You know what you're doing.
Okay, and now, voila, ready to go in the oven.
Now
Ma.
these are going to go into a 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes, just until they're nice and golden on top. And if you want to do that little extra, put them under the broiler for a minute or two. So we are going to bake these, and we will see you when they're all ready.
You do right way. Nice.
Hey, ma.
Yeah.
I saved time, mommy. Time is precious. Okay, they're ready. Mamma mia, che delizia.
They look great, man.
What do you think? Nice and easy and delicious.
So we ended up putting them under the broiler for about 2 to 3 minutes. You really want them to color nicely on top.
Yeah. See? They got the suntan. Mamma mia.
Ma, put them in the plate nice. Don't
Yeah, aspetta, sì, sì. Okay, yeah, now we'll fix it nice, make it look nice. Ecco. The taste is the same, Rossella. You know, if you have time, then you decorate, you know. Oh, mamma mia, sorry.
I'll eat this one. It's okay.
Okay, man. Come?
Oh my god.
Che buono.
So good.
Yeah.
So good. Okay, I feel bad that I had one first. Okay. Nonna, you want to taste?
Yeah, sure.
Man, you eat well, mommy.
Uh-huh. You cook one there, they can eat 2 people.
Yeah.
You eat very well, very good.
Very good.
Uh-huh.
And it's not that
And you
expensive.
don't work too much, and you don't spend too much money.
Hey,
See?
mommy.
Very
Life
good.
lessons.
Yes,
Ah.
absolutely.
Okay, taste. Come on.
Okay, now I've got one.
Oof.
Mm.
So good.
Wow.
Very good.
I could taste the artichoke.
Mm-hmm.
These are so dangerous because I could eat the entire plate.
I know.
By
Very
myself.
good.
Plus, and they are not even fattening because they are not fried. You know.
Mm-hmm. They're so good.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll have another one.
So good, guys. These work as a side, as an antipasto. I'm obsessed with them. So quick and delicious. Thank you, Mommy, for making these for
welcome.
me.
Anytime.
Thank you.
Nonna, thank you for being here. Thank you for being my Nonna today and every day.
You. I do, because I love you.
Oh.
Yeah, you love me. Mommy doesn't love me.
No.
She
we
love
all
you
love
too.
her. Thank God we have her.
She loves
Best
you.
thing I ever did.
Very good.
We'll see you next time on Cooking with Nonna, and maybe Mom will come back again. What do you think?
Maybe, if you treat me well.
Okay.
Ciao,
Ciao.
ciao a tutti!
Ciao.